Ever wondered how to accurately measure a room for your renovation projects? It all starts with gathering the right tools. You'll need a retractable measuring tape, a notepad, a pencil, and for larger rooms, a laser distance measurer. With these tools in hand, you're ready to get started. Before you start measuring, draw a rough sketch of the room on your notepad. Mark out the doors, windows, and any fixed features. As you take measurements, jot them down directly on this sketch. Now you have a handy guide to jot down your measurements. Now, let's dive into the actual measuring. Begin with wall lengths. Starting from one corner, measure each wall from end to end, recording these measurements on your sketch. Next, measure wall heights. This involves determining the distance from the floor to the ceiling, which is particularly important if you're considering adding built-ins or calculating the area for wallpaper or paint. Don't forget to account for windows and doors. Measure their height and width, and note the distance from the nearest corner or wall. If your room isn't a perfect rectangle or square, you'll need to measure the depth of any alcoves, recesses, or protrusions. Also, check your floor levels. If you suspect unevenness, measure the room's height at various points to see if there's any significant difference. And don't forget to measure any fixed elements like fireplaces, shelves, or cabinets, noting their height, width, and depth. Remember, always double-check your measurements for accuracy. In the digital age, technology can also lend a hand. Consider using a digital room measuring app or a laser distance measurer for larger rooms. These tools offer more precise measurements and can even generate room layouts or 3D models. With your measurements in hand and double-checked, you are now ready for your renovation project. Let's recap the key points we covered today. Gather your essential tools, sketch the room, measure walls, heights, depths, windows, doors, and fixed elements. Double-check for accuracy. Use technology for precision. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to accurately measure any room for your future renovation projects. Happy renovating!
Like, follow, and share for more tips at DS Design Labs.